Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today, I want to talk about iron condors. Let's look at the chart for this stock. So you want to try to find a stock that's kind of moving sideways for an iron condor. You don't expect a lot of big news, and you can see this stock has been moving sideways for some time, since October. Okay, it's kind of been in a range, it's gone up slightly. So this is a good candidate for an iron condor. So when you sell an iron condor, what you do is you go out. I usually go out about 80%, 70 to 80% probability. All right. And I would sell this one, and I'd have a $500 spread, and I would buy that one. That limits your risk to the upside. So if the stock falls anywhere below that, you make 100% of premium anywhere below this first strike of 80. If it falls in between, you're going to lose some premium. You might want to adjust. All right, so you want to do that on both sides. So let's go over here, find about 70-80%. All right, probably want to sell there, buy there. All right, so we're making some decent premium. So we say trade. All right, I'll try to get some good premium on it. And what we see here is your break-evens. Okay, so if the stock moves below 68.42, you start losing money. And if it breaks above 81.58, you also start losing money. Now you notice they're only going to take $500 of buying power, basically, because you can't lose on both sides of an iron condor. You usually only lose on one side, unless you're really unlucky, and somehow the stock spikes from one extreme to the other, and even then, when it closes, you'd only lose on one side. So they only debit you one side of the iron condor, and the other side's free, basically. So they're saying you're getting $158 profit on a risk of $500. So your max loss is $342. So does that make sense to everybody? Hopefully it does. So basically, you want the stock not to move much, and you make money. All right? So if you guys have any questions on the iron condor, let me know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe more videos and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.